Buongiorno, my loves. Here I am down by the beautiful river, enjoying this gorgeous day. And I feel called today to talk about the democratization of leadership. This is a really fascinating concept that I was just speaking about this week with a new brother, a new friend. And it's basically about how leadership doesn't belong just to a certain class or a certain group of people. So there's a lot of really amazing socio-economic research about how people tend to follow the patterns that they've been given, handed down from generations. And so, for example, women whose mothers were stay-at-home mothers and were unable to find work after that, other types of work after that, tend to follow that same pattern. Women whose mothers were stay-at-home mothers, like my mom, and then was able to change her career field into a different career field. For her, it was becoming a chemistry professor, and for me it's this entrepreneur and leadership developer, tend to follow that same pattern. People who have CEOs as parents tend to be more likely to be higher up in the food chain. People who are raised in very, very poor economic situations tend to follow that pattern for themselves. This is something that's been talked about for a long time, and it's something that people have been trying to figure out for a long time. How do we change this? So interestingly, we have had success in changing this by simply giving leadership development to people that might not have the money to pay for it themselves. People like you. So I have a secret weapon, which is I come out here and I give these videos every morning in my running gear, and I kind of look a little bit like a hot mess. You know who doesn't really pay attention to that? Authority figures. They pay a lot more attention to like the razzle dazzle and the things that look like they're really pulled together. So I talk to you because you're the ones that actually change the world. Leadership development is this incredibly powerful tool that takes the best of our brain science about what we know about our brains right now and puts it together into really cool exercises and left brain words that we can understand. So it gives us the power inside of ourselves to do the things that we want to do and be successful at those things. Do you know how I know this? Because I have amazing coaches myself. And I have paid $20,000 to not only receive this leadership development training, but also to learn how to give it to other people too. And I personally have seen the drastic change in my life from both of those things. And you know, as I was talking with my new friend this week, we were talking about how one leadership development training, a company can pay $10,000 for one person to go through one leadership development workshop. You know what's fascinating? Large international aid organizations do the same thing because they got a lot of money to give for development. You know who doesn't have a lot of money? Us. It was a lot for me to pay $20,000 to go through this. It was a huge, huge sacrifice on our parts. And I didn't do it for years because it was so expensive. And it wasn't even close to what CEOs get or people who are talent managed get. Kind of the high ups in government. So, we think that's kind of bunk. We think the people that should get all of these amazing skill sets, people just like you and me, moms, people who are lower down in the food chain, in government jobs, maybe in corporations, people who are the everyday people that are just trying to feed their kids in Kenya. Those might be the people that should get these skill sets. And maybe we'll be able to democratize leadership. I love you all. Feel free to join us. We give this stuff away, and we do it because you're amazing. Consider yourself talent managed. Love you so. Bye-bye.